Earnings season is really picking up, and yeah, we're getting the FANG this week, but we're also getting about 800 other companies that are going to report, and these are some of the big names and the fun names. I know you're going to all be tuning in this week to check out all the earnings. I brought you some of the best names this week. Today, kind of had to narrow it down there because there's just a lot of good things going on, but let's jump right into it and see who you should be watching. First one I brought is Edwards Lifesciences. I think I've had them on here before. They have one miss there just 2 quarters ago, and then another very small little miss at the very end of the chart there in 2014. But we're going to discount that, and we'll just call it the one miss since it's basically all that shows up on here. So a great track record. And these shares, you know, they pulled back there at the end of 2016, but now broken out again to new highs. So this is definitely one people are going to be tuning in on. Then we're going to get Boeing. Now, I've rallied against Boeing quite a bit over the last year or so because it didn't really make sense why these shares kept going up and kept hitting new highs, even though, yeah, they got a great track record with just that one miss. Shares are off those highs now, but looks to be a little bullish here. We'll see if another good report can push these to, breakout mode once again. And then we're going to get Visa. Now, I bring this chart every quarter, and eventually they will miss, but right now they haven't, and they still have one of the best track records on the street and one of the best charts. It's just a beauty to look at, and this year, 2018, shares have stalled a little bit. That's not uncommon with everything that's been going on. So we'll see if this earnings report, and I almost said there another beat, but we'll see if this can propel these to new highs once again. And then we're going to get PayPal. Now, I like this stock, and I bring it because, shares didn't go anywhere once it was spun off from eBay, and now they've really taken off here. There's a lot of questions about what's going on with eBay and its partnership there. They tried to clear up those issues last quarter, but the shares have kind of been just zigzagging here. We'll see if now there's going to be a little more clarity on where those revenues are going to be coming in on. And I think that could propel the stock if they're able to give the clarifications. And then we're going to finish up with Chipotle. Now, I bring this because it's not the best chart out there, but I know you're all watching it. I know many of you own this stock, and they did get the beat last quarter. It's really all about same-store sales, though. That's what the SSS stands for. So they did get a rebound in same-store sales last quarter, but it was coming off those really low levels. So was that the bottom for this stock and this company? Is Chipotle back now? Is it back among consumers? I don't know. We're going to find out, but this is one of the big restaurant names to watch this week. So those are just a few. Like I said, there's over 800 companies. We're getting a lot of the big names, including Dow Components, S&P 500, and the FANG, plus a lot of the big restaurant names and just the other glamour stocks on the tech side that you all follow. So be sure to tune in for all of our earnings coverage this week and all throughout earnings season on Zacks.com. And you can find all of our videos also on YouTube and check them out on Twitter. We're tweeting out all these videos, and on Twitter and StockTwits, you can get them all there. So I will be back with more all throughout earnings season. Be sure to tune in.